over for the first couple of hours from Whispers of Love, but that's okay. And by the way, we're actually still here at the Rizal Road of Capitol Commons in Pasig City. Saying hello to all of the people outside of the West Bus Yellow. Thank you so much. Without further ado, we get here. Of course, the highly anticipated Wish Bus debut of Maxie Andresen, aka J-Rock G. Maxie, welcome on board the bus. Kamusta? Yeah, we are very excited. And actually, pati yung mga fans mo, give them a shout out please. Kasi kanina po sila nandito, inulan, pero hinintay ko talaga. You're very well loved and understand why. Very talented and kind-hearted, pero out of curiosity, how does it feel to finally be on board the iconic Wish 107.5 bus?
Sobrang nakakapagod na hindi ko sure kasi parang as a singer I really do talaga na hindi ko talaga na anticipate na this year nangyayari. So thank you so much for this opportunity.
Our sincere pleasure. And kamusta naman so far yung 2025? Like the first half is already, almost in the books. How's it looking for you this year?
Sobrang daming nangyari sa buhay ko. Like, I have 3 solo concert.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. May mga endorsement na ako. May movies. May movie na ako pinapalabas ngayon. Showing na palang Flower Girl. So halfway pa lang ng year, ang dami nangyayari. So I can't wait pa sa more and more. So I'm excited. Why pa kaya?
You got this. And congratulations once again on everything. Maxie Verse and endorsements and all that. Pero pag-usapan muna natin, out of curiosity, yung musical upbringing mo. Growing up, sino yung mga pinapakinggan mong artists talaga?
I have many. Kasi yung ate ko, nalilig siyang every week. Nalilig siyang makinig rock songs. Rap, so lumaki ako pinapakinggan si Robbie, Supply,
I see. Sa local scene naman, sino yung mga artists na hinihinala ko at yung mga partner?
Yeah, dito ko lang. Si Miss Reg ata.
Miss Reg, yes, is a songwriter.
Si Sarah Geronimo.
Right.
Ayun yung mga representasyon mo. Kaming bata. Sa kapla, siyempre. Tayo susunod sa gano'n.
Dahil ay pagka-candid mo, that's why you are well loved. And kaya pala ganyan yung boses mo, talagang trained ka from your early formative years.
Yes.
Right? Actually, my girlfriend is a fan. She's Arabelle Cruz of the Class 2025. Sabi niya, nag-amateur sa Nicolas ka pa dati.
Yes, lagi kami sumasali sa mga Angas, sa Bicol, sa Laguna, sa Cavite, sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas sinasadya natin. Yung lagi namin.
Awesome stuff. Again, dito ka na. Of course, such a grand stage.
It's very original song.
Yes, alright. Your original song. Hindi ka na. Ano yung inspiration behind, the lyrics of this song right here?
I realized
Feel ko ang dugyot ko, no?
I see.
Ay,
it's a full fantasy. Parang nandun lahat kung gusto mo.
Yes.
So it's a good life there. Ayun yung sinulat ko. But, pag naman yung
Yes, congratulations. And speaking of that platform, that industry that's thriving right now, your Drag Race, right?
Drag Race Philippines.
Right. You won season 3. Now, gusto ko lang rin magbigyan ng spotlight yung significant difference ni J-Bot G and yung Maxi Andresen. Ano ba yung pinagkaiba nila? Yung dalawang personas na yan?
Si Maxi is a drag guy. So, and si J-Bot is me. It is my everyday life. So, Maxi is Maxi.
I see.
So, sa character, J-Bot is my own life.
Right, awesome stuff. And ako rin nakakapanood eh. So parang mostly, predominantly sa mga drag queens, nagano sila, lip sync. Ikaw, grabe yung advantage mo kasi singer ka talaga. Right, may message ka ba dun sa industry na yun? Dun sa circle mo?
Of course, I have a lot of message sa drag industry na kung gulo-gulo ngayon. Magbahalan tayo, happy Pride everybody. Sana maging mas makulay pa ang mundo natin, hindi lang ngayong buwan. Sana every month, sana every week, sana every year, sana every life tayo makulay at maganda. Sana mas marami pa tayo. Sana mas marami pa tayo sana mas marami pa tayong pabigyan ng mga lections na lahat.
Alright, J-Bot G, aka Maxi Andresen, with original track right here. On Wish 1075.
Puso para sa'yo. Umawas man ako, marinig mo lang hindi ko. Kung gagawin ko yun, basta gagawin ko yun. Magandang bagay alang-alang sa sarili mo. Sa kadali sa akong kamay mo, hawak-hawak ang kamay mo hanggang dulo. Huwag kang bibitiw pag may dilubyo haharapin. Halika na, halika na.
Everybody to have this song downloaded and streamed.
Please listen or stream. Halika na, and all streaming platforms available to you. Tulungan niyo akong up pa. Okay? Love you guys.
Yes, and of course, mga natin yung potential upload nito kung kailan yung Wish Plus performance piece po. That was done live in case I was happy to tune in. Yung mga nakikinig sa radyo, like yan guys na. That's J-Bot for you. And huwag na kasi ng bikinin, we got a cover of this song right here. right, without further ado, live on board the iconic Wish 1075 bus, we have right here J-Mod G, aka Nancy Anderson, with 1992 at the Rick for you on Wish 1075.